So friends, after logging to your Shopify account, you will find the dashboard like this. Since I have already logged in, if you are the beginner, then you should go first Shopify. I am showing you. Sorry, first go to the Google, search on the Shopify login. Shopify login. Click on the Shopify login. Click here. Put your address, store address, that is luxcard.myshopify.com. Just click on here and put your email and password. And if you have on your two-factor authorization, then you have to put a OTP. So three things you have to do, and after doing that you will come here. Since I have already logged in, that's why I am means you are seeing like this. So after doing login, I think everyone is knowing well that how login is done. So after login on the dashboard, login in your Shopify account, you will reach here on this dashboard. So just click on the orders. So here you will find all kinds of the order that you have get till now. So here, as you are seeing, that is the one order, that is the voided payment, voided unfulfilled, because this order is not completed. That's why that is the showing here. So you will find the all kinds of the orders of your store. As you are seeing in my stories, if you are clicking online store, in front of the online store there is here. So this is your store. If someone is purchasing your product, suppose that this is your product, and click on here, someone clicks on here, then if someone click on here, then he or she comes on this page and buy it now or add to cart. Suppose that I click on the buy it now. So after by putting some information of his cart detail, he or she will buy your product by PayPal. And after buying, when she or he is buying the product, then you will get the order here, and you will fulfill the order, and order is fulfilled by the overflow, which I will tell you in the next class. So here you will see all the kinds of the orders, and you are seeing the export, means you can export this. Okay, export order, current order, CSV, and export order. Here you can export order, and here is more action. If you will click on the more action, the view overflow orders, means if you will click here, then you will find that how much order, means what numbers of the order has come on your store. And after clicking here, you can fulfill that other order by overflow, because overflow is the app which is used for fulfilling the order and importing the product from another source, which is AliExpress. Anyone know? So this is all about the orders, as you're seeing. So if you click on the view overflow, so friends, in this video I have shown about the orders. If you are the beginner in my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you could easily learn the Shopify dropshipping store, means how can you make your Shopify dropshipping store without paying any money or any course, because I am providing it in totally free, means I am not giving any charge, any hidden charge or any course material charge, so it is absolutely free. So you can see this. After seeing these videos, you can easily learn how you can make your Shopify store. So in this video, friends, I am stopping my video. So please subscribe, like if you are new. Thank you very much.